Okay, isang mas malakas at mabilis naman. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hello. Hello. Okay, Ma'am Maxine, close your eyes. Close your eyes and make a wish. Okay, close your eyes, Ma'am Maxine, and of course, don't forget to make a wish. And of course, Mommy, blow out your candles. Ayan! Yes, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Finally, 4 years old na si Ma'am Maxine. Ayun, partner balita ko.